So if you didn't go yesterday, you can go today. Later on today. It's so late.
Yeah, no, and you know what? No green beer for us, Ryan Shop Tub, but that's okay. We were with people in spirit.
Absolutely. And maybe tomorrow night, maybe this weekend. And speaking of the weekend, it looks gorgeous. I mean, 70s are waiting for us on both Saturday and Sunday. But it's Monday. We have to keep a close eye on. There's a chance at some severe thunderstorms on Monday. We'll time out future radar and everything you need to know coming up in just a little bit. But first, a look at your weekend forecast, a little sneak peek. Saturday, beautiful. Well, mornings will be chilly, both mornings, Saturday and Sunday, in the 40s. Highs near 80 both days, but low humidity, clear skies, very dry air. It's going to be a beautiful day on tap for Saturday and Sunday. Now, today was a nice day. Morning clouds gave way to plenty of sun. A high of 79 was recorded at the airport. 53 was the morning low, and that was pretty much on par of where we should be this time of year. 52 is average. Almost 80 today. 74 is the typical March standard for a high temperature, but still, it was a warm and comfortable day, a little bit more humidity. Now, winds are calm. Temperatures right now are running in the middle to upper 60s. Notice that we do have a bit more cloud cover right now, and it's all ahead of our next cold front. Now, there will be a cold front moving through San Antonio in the next few hours. It's not going to be an Arctic blast. It will not be that. But it will be a wind shift. Winds will be moving out of the north at about 20 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon because of this boundary moving in. And again, it's not going to be strong, but here's the timing on it. Through San Antonio at about 4 a.m. Bexar County, and then moving towards our southern counties around mid-morning 7 to 10 a.m. and it should pass through dry, meaning we're not going to get a good rain chance out of this, not just yet. Now, tomorrow morning, winds moving at about 20 to 30 miles an hour, so cooler air in addition to breezy to gusty northerly winds. It's going to be a little chilly as you wake up early Friday. So also adding into the fire threat. So avoid any outdoor burning with dry air, low humidity, and these gusty north winds all day tomorrow. Fires will likely spread quickly. Grass fires are certainly a possibility, so please avoid any outdoor burning for tomorrow and likely through the weekend because the dry air is going to continue. So here's your Friday forecast. 61 at 10, abundant sunshine, clear skies, gorgeous weather. Highs near about 79 to 80, so a few degrees cooler than the last couple of days, but we'll see if we even hit that depending on how much sunshine we see in the morning and in the afternoon, but it should be a beautiful day though. So here's water vapor, a spinning area of low pressure moving farther eastward across Oklahoma and the plains. That's dragging the cold front in for tomorrow morning, or at least I should say this morning because it's already past midnight. Now across the western half of the U.S. and also in the Pacific Ocean, south of Alaska, matter of fact, is an area of upper level energy. What that's going to do is swing farther west and dive farther south into Mexico and even Texas. But watch the timing. Monday night, Tuesday morning, 2, 3, 4 a.m. And this kind of setup, when you add in upper level energy like that, plus humidity from the Gulf of Mexico, this is a typical spring-like setup which can produce some severe weather and a few thunderstorms here in South Texas. So Monday afternoon, lunchtime through about 2 and 3 o'clock, scattered light rain in the area. Nothing too bad, right? Overcast skies Monday. But look at this. Forecast models have been pretty keen in suggesting a line of thunderstorms moving in from west to east Monday night through Tuesday morning, of which a few could be strong to severe, meaning some could produce some small hail, maybe some strong straight line winds up to 60 miles an hour. And also maybe some flood-provoking rain, but it looks like anywhere northeast of San Antonio will be the primary threat for flooding, and it looks like San Antonio could only cash in on maybe an inch of rainfall, isolated areas up to 2, so we'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep tabs on it. All right, here's a 7-day forecast. Spring begins on Sunday. On Sunday, Monday, 82. Here comes that chance at a few storms and in the overnight hours as well. High temperatures on Saturday and Sunday in the upper 70s, lower 80s. Enjoy a beautiful forecast and temperatures in the 70s and 80s all the way throughout next week.